Hey, Micromap here, doing you a regular YouTube video here, not a short. Today was a shitty day. So boring. The account was down because my long-term positions were down, but it's basically a nothing burger. These markets are so stagnant. It's just like watching paint dry. It's so boring for a guy that likes to trade. Unfortunately, only one trade in the TD Ameritrade and 6 or 7 in the other one. I only got filled today in an iron fly and MCB bank with skew to the put side, meaning I needed to go down. I have negative deltas. If these are confusing terms, chime in and I'll try and do videos and help you out as much as possible. Let's take a look at the futures. The 10-year yield did go up today, and I am long interest rates to go higher. Let's take a look at what the dollar's doing here. I saw it up today, and now it's giving some back in the after hours. Bitcoin was down huge today. Now we're up 230. Well, everything was down today. It was just a nothing burger, boring day. Can't find trades. There's not volatility. It's just stagnant. Stagflation is horrible, horrible. But I think we might get some gyrations here in the next couple of days with the FOMC meeting. Oil up a nickel to 75.71. S&P down 650. Gold flat. Copper flat. I mean, it's really like horrible. It's boring. We need some action. Small caps down 5. Uh, Dow Jones down 35. Nasdaq 21. Palladium and Palladium and platinum pretty much same range as always. Now silver and gold they had moonshot in the morning, and I did a couple videos in the morning, quick YouTube shorts, because I saw like a ramp up. Silver went over 26. I think it hit 26. I want to say hit like 26.10. Let me see. I can pull up the daily. Maybe it can pull up. It was. I was like, oh man, we're gonna blast off for sure. I really thought that we were gonna like. Let me see. 26.21. Look at that rocket at 8 in the morning, and I did my YouTube short, and it just rolled over. The I don't know who came out and started selling the paper, but it was crazy. So silver is holding 25.23, and the VIX is up 53 cents to 18.70, and the grains are up. Corn 2 cents, soybean 6 cents, and wheat 5 cents. And that's pretty much it in the futures. And in TD in Tasty Trade, I did Ironfly and then OX, Citizens CFG with negative skew to it. I did a broken wing butterfly to the upside on Nvidia. I did a call calendar spread in Norwegian. I did Ironfly and Newell Rubber, Newell brand. I think they make Sharpies and stuff. And I closed out an Ironfly and IFRX for a 25% profit. But I only had like, in this account I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the other one 7 trades today. It's just like horrible, boring, very boring. And there's really not a lot on the news front. I know we had in the calendar, we had well, the events are gone today, but we had ISM. Uh, I think we had ISM, and it was better than expected. ISM. Uh, Let me see. News. So U.S. manufacturers stuck in negative territory for 6 months in a row. ISM found fines. But it improved to 47 in April versus 46 expected. But it says here it contracted 6 straight months. New orders down 8 months. So we'll see what the Fed does. But I mean, it's like a nothing. Everybody's just waiting to see what the Fed is going to do with interest rates to make their moves. I'm still a fan of energy, precious metals, commodities, and an international exposure. I think the dollar got a little relief rally, but I think the dollar is gonna roll over. We have more bank failures. We lost FRC, which J.P. Morgan took over, and we had Silicon Valley roll over, and we're starting to see some pressure in the banking sector. So you gotta be mindful of that, and just stay engaged. Sometimes patience pays off. You gotta wait for that VIX to pop. We will get volatility again, and there'll be more opportunities for us traders or even long-term investors. I mean, I don't think there's a great spot to be in anything right now. When I even look at individual stocks, I like international stuff and commodities. That's where I'm at right now, and the energy sector, and 3 to 5% in crypto space, maybe via through BIDO or ETHE. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good night. Trade safely or long-term investment. Anything you're looking at, just do your homework. I'm not a financial advisor, but I watch the markets every day, and I've been doing it for a while. I'm pretty successful at it. And if you want to chime in, go ahead. Love the dialogue, and have a good night. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.